What's going on, guys? Jake and Loftus here at Jones Technical Institute. Today we're back in the fab class. We're going to be doing some fabrication. I'm out here. I've got the arc welder for stick welding. I'm just going to show you some basics, give you a little technique advice, and show you how to be safe when you're doing this. First things first, safety. Welding helmet that's rated at 10 or more. I don't think it goes higher than that, so if you find it, you're good. Safety glasses. My prescription glasses are rated safety, so I wear these as my safety glasses. You're going to want some nice thick gloves because you will get burned. This stuff is burning at over 1800 degrees. It's melting metal. It's hot, okay? Other than that, you want to make sure your workspace is clear. There's nothing in your way, especially metal. Make sure you got the tip of the hammer, wire brush, extra sticks, all that jazz, and then you're ready to go. Here we got, these are your rods that you're actually going to be putting into the machine. I'm right-handed, so I put it in my right hand and the stick faces to the left. You want to make sure that it's nice and in there. When you're getting down to it, right here, this number 6013, that's going to determine what's going on when you're welding. The 60 is 60,000 tensile strength. So if you had like a 7018, that'd be 70,000. The number 1, that shows you the positions you can run this thing in. 1 means you can run in all positions, up, down, left, right, diagonal, however you want to do, upside down if you want to do it. And the 3, that's the flux coating. Each flux will have a different component or different stuff in them. Like this is just, that's a 6013. Hey, this is still a 6013, not 6011. On a 6011, you have a different flux, so it's you have to strike differently, and a few other things that are just a little bit different. So we'll get started here on the welding. Right now, the 6013 is running at 150 amps. This is really, you can feel for it. There's a chart that shows you what can take what amount of amperage. But when you start getting into it, you can feel for it. Higher heats, lower heats for different applications. Thank you. Here's a 6011, just so you guys can see. So I'm gonna get to getting, start welding, show you guys some welds. Once I turn this on, this whole circuit is live. Anytime that you touch metal, this thing is going to go off. So let me put my gloves on real quick. Do what? Oh yeah. Alright, got my gloves on. Let's see if we can show you guys the weld. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do to get this thing started is you give it like a nice little strike, like you're striking a match. Once you've done that, you're going to lift it up and allow an arc to be created. That arc is going to start melting the metal, so you want to look for that puddle seconds after you've striked it. Once you have a puddle, you can start running that bead along. So let's get this thing started. Make sure you're turning it off after every time you use it, because this thing touches any kind of metal, it will spark. I got a little volcano, a little indentation. That's exactly what I wanted to show you guys, so I could explain something not to do. At the end of my weld, I didn't pull it up and then finish it off. I did it on purpose so I can show you guys what that'll do. Actually leaves a huge crater inside that weld. and that's just useless. So I want to get to showing you the difference in weld, so I'm going to put on a 6013 or a 6011, and I'm going to change the amperage and show you guys just how different these two sticks can be. This is safe up to 90 amps, but I use it on a 75. It's just a lower heat. It's less spatter. It's a little bit easier for me to control. All right, we are on. This stuff's hard to get started. Yeah, this is one of the difficult things about welding, is getting that spark to start the arc. I can't do it. I'm probably wasting your guys' time, but thank you very much for watching.